In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use IC Markets PIP calculator. By the end, you'll know exactly how to find the value of a PIP for any trade, which is essential for clear risk management before you open a position. First, a quick foundation, so everything makes sense. A PIP, short for percentage in point, is the smallest standard price movement in Forex. For most currency pairs, that's the fourth decimal place, or 0.001. For pairs involving the Japanese yen, it's the second decimal place, or 0.01. Understanding PIP value isn't just a technical detail, it's the bridge between price movement on a chart and real money in your account. It lets you translate PIPs into dollars, euros, or whatever your account currency is, so you can plan risk and potential profit with confidence. To get started, head to the Forex Calculator section on the IC Markets website. You'll see several tools there, including margin and lot size calculators, but today we're focusing on the PIP calculator. Select the PIP calculator. It's clearly labeled and easy to spot on that page. Now enter your inputs. Begin with the currency pair you're trading, like EUR USD or GBP JPY. Make sure it matches your actual trade so the PIP value is accurate. Next, choose your account currency such as USD, EUR, or AUD. This ensures the output is shown in the exact currency your account uses, which helps you avoid mental conversions and mistakes. Finally, enter your lot size, also called trade size. A standard lot is 1.1, which equals 100,000 units. A mini lot is 0.1, or 10,000 units. A micro lot is 0.01 or 1,000 units. Select the size that matches the position you plan to open. Click Calculate. The tool will display the PIP value in your account currency and show what a 1 PIP move represents for the lot size you entered. Take a moment to confirm the pair and lot size are correct before relying on the result. Here's why that number matters. Once you know the PIP value, you can quickly estimate profit or loss for a given move in pips and size your position to fit your risk plan. For example, if you're risking 20 pips and each pip is worth $1, your total risk is $20. That clarity helps you set stop loss and take profit levels that align with your strategy. To see it in action, choose EUR/USD. Select your account currency like USD, enter a lot size such as 0.1 and hit Calculate. You'll immediately see how much each pip is worth in dollars for that trade, giving you a precise view of risk and potential reward before you press the button to enter the market.